Assalamualaikum. Let's make dhokli. Heat up oil in pressure cooker. Add mustard seed and cumin seed. Add some curry leaves. Add pinch of hing. After that, add some whole spices. Saute it until aromatic. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add some chopped tomatoes. Mix it all together. Let's prepare powder spice. Red chilli powder, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala and salt. Add this powder mix in cooker. Wash pigeon seed, drumstick and peanut seeds. Add into cooker. Let's make imli paste. Add imli paste as a requirement. Add Kashmiri red chilli for good color. Now add water as a requirement or 3 or 4 glasses. Let it boil. Add some jaggery. Let's make dough for dhokli. Take wheat flour, add kasuri methi, add salt, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, and some oil. Mix well. Add water and make a dough. Of dough, roll it and cut it in small piece. Add this piece in boiling water. Add dhokli pieces as your requirement and cook it for 3 whistles. And it's ready.